Now we need to create our user registration. For this, first of all, we need to insert a user at the very top of the structure, and this ID should be the account of admin. So we will insert the information for the admin user. So you can insert any information for your company, like username, we can say admin name, my admin, or email admin@mlm.com, or in mobile number currently we can insert like this anything, and address, this is my address, and FL user we can say the company. Okay, and the join date is today. Okay, we took FL user as integer, so we can take it 0. So join date, we can say it joined today, and status still pending. Okay, no, its status should be activated because it is the account of admin. So let's go, and we have inserted our user information here right below. Okay, so now we can go here, and from here if you open the page register, we can see the page here. So we already created a page in PHP that called registration.php. So just open the file and also open this HTML file, that is register.html, and copy all the files here and paste here. Okay, so now open the registration.php. Here you can see we are here, and here it is printing it. So also open the connect file, and remove this echo from connect.php. Now it should be okay. Okay, it should okay. Now we have a form here, and when the user will insert the information here, it will store in our user table. So we need few field here like email, mobile, and okay, it is already there. We need to just edit it. First of all, remove this option, go to registration.php, remove these two buttons. Okay, from where this button is coming, registration with, yeah, okay, here is that. Okay, from HR to this. Okay, refresh it. Okay, here it is. Now we need the name, and here the structure you can see we need username and name, email, mobile address. Okay, so we need name, we already have name. Second, we need username. Okay, and so we have here name, and then we need username. Okay, just remove the IDs from here, we don't want it, and we can simply say it your full name or name, and then we need the username. Okay, and it should be text. It also text. We need to define the name of this input text, and for this input text the name is name, for this input text the name is username, and for this email the name should be email. Okay, it is done, and if we refresh the page, we can see here we have name, username, email address, password, and again password. And we also need the referral user and the which tab, referral user, address, and mobile. So we need 3 more fields. Okay, we can copy this row group, we can copy it and just paste here, okay, or above here. So we need here name, and then we need mobile, the placeholder should be mobile. We need the address also, and okay, text area, let's text area, address, username, placeholder should be address. Let's save it and refresh it. Here we are, we have name, username, email, mobile, address, password, and again password, register account. So we have here all the necessary fields. So in the next tutorial we will try to insert the information insert here by the user.